do you know that little like hide and seek video? I'm about to go knock on my best friend's door to see if she can come out. Maybe. And then if she says yes, I'm about to go knock on my brother's door to see if he wants to come with me. But if he doesn't want to come with me, I'm not going to do that, but yeah. But do you want to talk? So today there's this girl in my class that keeps on coughing me. Me and my friend were freaking whispering and mocking her because she keeps on coughing us. Like I was messing with my hair at recess, sitting by my besties, and she started messing with her hair sitting by the lunch window. Like, this drives me crazy. Like nobody likes her because she's quiet, and this boy called her ugly. She just sat there. Like last time a girl called me ugly, I beat her. Well, I beat her ass like crazy. I got expelled for that for like a week. My parents were mad, but they were kind of happy that I stuck up for myself. So next time, they need to stick up for themselves. So yeah, it's a beautiful day. I have no shoes on, but still, I'll go get some shoes on in just a minute. Yeah, so I'm about to ask my friend if she wants to come out and play, and then we can do another, like check my channel because I have like 2 hide and seek videos. We're gonna do another one, but in the sunlight, maybe at dark. But yeah, me and my bestie, her name is Noah. She's little, like she's like 7, but still we're besties. We go to the same school, but I'm 8 and I'm in 3rd grade. She's in 2nd, but she lives like right down the alley. All this guy's coming down the street. I hope he turns. Oh my god, guys. Is he walking? Oh fuck, he's walking across this great street. Okay, false alarm. He's not. Okay, guys. So yeah, I'm about to do that. And then, of course, let me go get my brother. I will in a minute. But let's go see. I'm going to go knock on her door. But let me get some shoes on, okay, guys? And then my room, I tidy up my room. Because when I was, like, 5, I haven't cleaned it for, like, a year. Because we got that cleaned. I'm not joking. I was just joking about the year thing. We haven't cleaned it in, like, 2 days. But it was a mess. Like, my dad had to readjust my bed because my bed was breaking from where I had this sleepover. And my brother jumped on my bed being crazy. So then my boards broke. Well, yeah. It's about to end, guys. But, yeah. Love y'all. Bye, y'all. Part 2 is coming up. Bye. Sorry, my hair. Bye.